Hey friends, so if you are a small business owner and want to design a logo for your brand or for your store and do not want to spend a lot of money or want to use ChatGPT, then today I'll show you a tool that is very popular and design an awesome logo for you in just 2 minutes. So let's see what is the tool name and how to use it. First, go to the tools website. You will find the link in the description below. This tool is very popular and used by thousands of people. So once you logged in, click on Let's Make a Logo in the center of the screen. You will now see two boxes, one for your logo name and one for your slogan. I'm not adding slogan right now, just entering the logo name. Then click on Continue. Next, it will ask you to choose your industry. Select the one that best matches your business. Or you can skip it if you want. After that, choose the color scheme. I will go with this one. Then hit enter. Now pick your preferred font style and click generate. And AI will now start creating logos for you. And there you go. You can see it has generated multiple logo designs for us. From here, you can change the logo name, color, fonts, and even the symbol. If you want a specific symbol, then click on Add Symbol and type what you are looking for. The tool will show you the relevant option. I like this particular logo, so I'm going to click on it. There is Edit button. Clicking on that lets you customize your logo even more. So on the left, you will see symbol suggestions. You can change them if you would like. In the center, you can modify the layout and positioning. Different layout options are shown on the left side. Just pick the one you prefer. Next, you can choose a font. Click on it. You will see preview on the left side. Select the one that fits your brand. Then choose your color. And you will see a preview before applying it. You can preview your final logo here. And once you are happy with it, you can save or even purchase it. Here is the final result. I have also made few logos earlier. Have a look at them here. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this logo with your friends. See you in the next one.